What's up? Producer Jonathan here from the Podcast Factory, and today we're going to talk about which podcast hosting is the best. So when people are starting their podcasts, they get caught up in self-hosting or hosting elsewhere, SoundCloud, or any of that other stuff, and it can get confusing. And today I'm going to tell you which is the best hosting. You don't even have to think about it. You can just do it. So the hosting I use at the Podcast Factory for all of our shows is Libsyn. Surprise! So I used to host on my website, and there was a couple problems with that. If the website was down, boom, your podcast was down. I also had to use Amazon S3 with it. So Amazon S3, you pay for every time you download. And on top of that, I wasn't getting great statistics. So the solution was simple. I moved over to Libsyn. And now that I'm using Libsyn, I get statistics, I can make an app, it's never down, it's always dependable, and I run all my podcasts on that now, so it's much, much, much easier than it's ever been before. The other cool part about Libsyn is they only charge you a flat rate, no matter how many downloads you get. So as popular as your show gets, as great as you do, you're always going to pay the same rate, and it's always going to be up. So I'm not getting paid for this. I am not sponsored by Libsyn. I'm only telling you this because I want you to have a great experience with your podcast hosting. So the simple solution, use Libsyn for your podcast hosting, and you'll always be happy. You're welcome. All right, so that's it for today on podcast hosting. For more podcasting tips, subscribe to my channel, thepodcastfactory.com/YouTube, or just go to thepodcastfactory.com and sign up for my email list. You'll be the first to know when new videos come out, plus you'll get daily tips. Looking snazzy. Brush my shoulders off. Just back from church. What's up? That's how I loosen up. All right, let's make that shirt look good. Look good. Make sure I'm sitting up and I look buff. Do I look buff?